Hello everyone, this is Kirit. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, that is Abhivyakti Training Solutions. You are watching excellent series of 7 steps of learn English fast, and this is basically a 6 steps of learn English fast, and the 6th step is practice English regularly, which means you have to focus every single day on practicing English. Before we start with this video, I will like to request, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. And yes, if you like this video, please like and share with your friends and family members so that they will also can take benefits of this excellent video series. Let's get started. Very first thing you can do for English practice is set a schedule. So what do I mean by set a schedule? What you have to do is you have to set some specific time, some specific place for English practice. Just say, for example, start your day with English practice. Just say maybe you start all your day from morning 7 to 8 you do English practice, or maybe you in evening maybe 8 to 9 what you do, you are doing English practice. You are doing practice of English reading, English writing, English speaking, whatever. But every day is very much important. Another thing is that is not important if you are practicing on one single day 7 hours. But every day you are practicing for 1 hour daily. That is most important things, because every day is the key to practice. Another thing you can do is utilize language learning resources. You know, there are a lot of learning resources right now. Maybe YouTube or lots of podcasts, or maybe you are exploring blogs. Right resources is very important, right? So use language learning resources to make your progress. Another thing you can do is incorporate English into your daily life. Just say, for example, if you like cricket, right, what you can do is you can convert all the English commentary in English. You are fond of reading, convert all your reading material into English. Maybe you are learning yoga, right? All your inputs has to be in English. So by doing this, what you are doing is you are exposing yourself in English. Incorporate English in your daily life. Apart from that, what you have to do is engage yourself in language exchange programs. You know, there are lots of NGOs who are running this kind of programs. In fact, you can join our English communities, where we are providing you a platform where you can practice and make progress, right? But make sure you are join this kind of programs and participate as much as possible. Apart from that, what you have to do in everyday English practice is make vocabulary bank healthier. What do I mean by make vocabulary bank healthier is add 5 words every day and make them memorize, using them in sentences, and make sure you recall it whenever appropriate time comes, right? 5-day words is not a big, or it's not a very big things, but imagine yourselves after 1 year down the line you will incorporate with more than 1,000 words, right? So these many things you can do in practice English regularly. Just to sum up, we have learned that the very first point we have discussed is set a schedule. Another point we have discussed is utilize language learning resources. Next is incorporate English into your daily life. And last is engage or make vocabulary expansion in day-to-day life. Remember, practice English learning is key. Remember, practice English regularly is the key to progress, and you will also progress if you practice every day. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends and family member. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Till the time, keep watching, keep learning and keep growing. You are awesome, guys. Thank you so much.